going to share my screen to my phone. I'm using my phone actually, so I'm going to use my screen. So, Fabian, can you unmute? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I am.
Okay. So, what's your course about?
All right. So, it's a course on WhatsApp marketing. Okay,
Okay, does it have
how?
a title?
Like the title I have for now is strategic WhatsApp marketing. I know it's not a good title
Yeah,
because
it's not. It's not. Yeah,
I'm trying to look out for a title that will stand out because if
yeah.
you type on Google, you see so many titles on WhatsApp marketing. So I've not really got, would I say, a suitable title for the course yet.
Okay, but let's assume this is what we're working with. So, what is the end goal of this course? So, by the time I take this course, because there are a lot of WhatsApp courses, like you said. So, when I take this course, what's the end goal?
All right, so the end goal is for people to know how to use WhatsApp to sell out their products effortlessly.
Okay.
Okay. So the idea behind the course is to break down what I had to do was that I had to break down each channel of WhatsApp. For example, how to sell with WhatsApp groups, how to sell with WhatsApp DMs, WhatsApp broadcasts,
Okay,
WhatsApp channels.
wait. Calm down, Jerry. People to know how to use WhatsApp to sell their products effortlessly. I think I like
Yes.
this as effortlessly. So you're going to teach them how to use like different, how to sell with different WhatsApp channels. Abby?
So yes, ma. Can I let me just send the course content in the chat so that it's be easy for you.
Okay, you already have
Yeah.
it. All right, great. Please send it to me. Thank you.
Yeah,
Amazing.
it's there
Send
now.
it. Okay, just send it so that we'll just open it up and we'll use it to work. That makes
It's
sense.
there.
Okay, so I can see this now. Okay, introduction to WhatsApp marketing, WhatsApp DMs, WhatsApp broadcast, WhatsApp group, WhatsApp status, WhatsApp voice call, WhatsApp channels, WhatsApp funnels, WhatsApp automation, the next step. Wait, when did you do this?
Like I just got this idea when you were doing the first person's own. So I just had to structure it this way.
Oh, that this makes sense. Well done. Well done. That means it shows that you've learned from this class. All right, this makes sense. Um, I think your title can be structured around something that says that can be structured around like leveraging every channel in on WhatsApp to actually sell. So that should even be the promise. The promise should not be how to know how to use WhatsApp to sell their products effortlessly. Because this is something that a lot of people don't really do. They just say, oh, a lot of classes that you go to, where they say how to sell on WhatsApp. They only teach you how to use WhatsApp status. I'm not wearing my coaching hat here, but let me just share that so that we'll move on. You can tie this to the different channels that are going to be breaking down, right? You should teach them. So basically, the promise of this course will be that you're helping people know how to use every feature, every channel on WhatsApp to sell, from DM to status to, instead of saying to use WhatsApp to sell effortlessly. So you can fix that, and then your title can be tied around something like that. But yeah, so let's move on. Um, Let me know where that hat of coaching. I'm not here to come and doing. All right, great. So from here so far now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that we have like 11 videos, right? So I'm going to go to my Telegram and walk you guys through how you can set it up on Telegram. Okay. So this is my Telegram. I have quite a number of groups here. I have a course here actually. Let me show you the course that I have here on Telegram. So this is a bundle that I created with my friend. You can see people cannot say anything here, just to watch the course and then move on. So I'm going to walk you guys through how to do it. So for Telegram, yeah, if you want to create your course on Telegram, I would advise do not create a group. Instead, create a channel and a group. So as you can see, we have two places. We have the channel, which is where the course is, and then we have the group, which is where people can ask questions. So this is the group where you can see people can ask questions here. But the channel, people cannot say anything except just to access the course. Why did I say that? Reason being that if you create a group and put the course inside, by the time people start coming in, commenting, all right, it might cause chaos inside the group, and some people might not be able to access the group, might not be able to like know where videos are. It might be confusing. Alternatively, there's actually something you can also do. You can create a group and then create different topics. But my own rule of thumb and what I would advise you to do is just create a channel and a group differently. Don't create a group and use topics to do it, because even if you create a group and use topics and say, okay, this topic is only for online courses, people will still be confused because not everybody will know how to navigate. All right, so I'm going to walk you through how to set that up and how to ensure that your course is protected on Telegram. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to use the pencil icon to create a channel. We are going to call it the strategic WhatsApp marketing. Can you guys hear me? Are you guys following? Then we put let's put a flyer. Let's use this as the flyer. Can you hear me? Let me see. Are you talking in the chat? Let's see. Yes, I can hear you clearly. All right, great. Okay. All right, great. Okay, so let's go on. So strategic WhatsApp marketing, you can put the description of the group. Remember, these are already, people will only get here after they've paid. So you can put a description of the group or just leave it, of the channel rather, and then you click on next. Okay, so this is the channel. You're going to make it private channel. You're going to click on restrict saving content. You want to restrict this. This way, nobody can copy anything from this channel. Nobody can forward anything from this channel. The least that they can do is to screen record or to screenshot. But you and I know that even if you use those, there's no platform that you use where people cannot screen record, right? But when you screen record, the quality will never be the same than when you just download it, right? So when you want to make sure that this option is turned on, restrict saving content, you want to turn it on in your channel. And then you click on next, and you can add people. So let me just add myself. Let me add myself. So let me add myself here, and then I click on next, and our channel is created. Usually, most time when I create channels, I used to delete all these things, all this notification. I used to just delete them. So when people come in, the channel is just there. All right. So we create the channel now. The next thing you're going to ask yourself is, how do we now start uploading this course here? It is very easy. The first thing I will always say before you upload your course is to write a welcome message. So welcome to the XYZ course, okay? And then you say the first thing to do is to join the support group for question and answers, and then follow through with the content as they've been arranged to get the maximum results from this course. All right, so this is going to be the welcome message. Okay, so this is the first thing you're posting here, and you can pin it. You can pin that when anybody comes to the group, they click on it. I always like to delete this thing. I don't know, it's a pet peeve for me. So you can pin that. Can you guys hear me? Let me make sure that you're hearing me, so I'm not talking to myself. All right, great. Okay, so you pin that to your group, and then the next thing now is to now start creating the video content or the PDFs or anything. So remember, people cannot download anything because you've turned on that restrict saving content. So you now have to put in the first content, introduction to WhatsApp marketing, module 1. So how you will do that is to come here. Let's say you want to put a video. Let me look for, do I have a video? Do I have a video that I want to put? I have one video that I would like to put. Okay, so let's assume that this is the video, right? So I select the video that I want to put. This is video for the course. And we are going to put a caption to the video. Module 1, Introduction to WhatsApp Marketing. You're just going to name it that, and you're going to send it to the group. So it comes like this. What did I do? Okay. So it comes like this, Module 1, Introduction to WhatsApp Marketing. Then the same thing, you copy the second one. Let's say the second one is a PDF. You just come here, you go to Document. Where is it? Files. You go to Files, you choose from your files, and it takes you to your files on your phone. Let's say this is the file you want to put. You put this one, right? Make sure that when you are putting your files, please make sure that you've named the PDF on your phone or on your laptop before you put it on WhatsApp, on Telegram, right? So you open it. So make sure that you've named the PDF, like I said. So these 50 things, this module 2 WhatsApp DM. Let me just go and name something here so that you see how it works in real time. Let me just make a copy. Let me duplicate it. So I'm going to rename this and call it this. Okay, and say done. You can't use the name. Oh. Okay, so I've done it now. So I'm going to now come back here to Telegram. Let me delete this one. So I'm going to come here. I'll go to Files, and I'll go to From My Files. I'll go to Downloads, and I'm going to see it. Where is WhatsApp? I think it's W. Module. Okay, so this is it. And I'm going to click it here. So now you're going to see it's Module 2, WhatsApp DMs. So they can only, see, let me show you something. Let me try to forward this image, this thing. There's nothing like forward here. I cannot copy it. See, when I copy it, you see what it will say. I cannot paste this. See, let me show you. When I copy it, you see what it will say. This link will only work for members of this chat. Can you see it? I cannot copy it anywhere. I cannot move it anywhere. It will only work for only members of this chat. I cannot forward it. I cannot download it. Can you see it, guys? Can you see? Did you see that?
Yes, I did. Wow.
This will only work for members of this chat. You know, get where you want copy and go. You cannot copy the document or anything or save it anywhere. So that way, you're just going to be arranging it like that, step by step. So the next one, module 3, just like that, you arrange it till the end. So by the time you are now done, you will now come here to the settings. And you come here to here. You will say discussion. So go to discussion. Let me show you guys how I got here. Just click the top, the name here. Go to edit at the top right. Go to discussion. And then you create a group. Create a new group and you call it strategic marketing chat. So you see it's strategic WhatsApp marketing chat. And then you click on create. So this group will now be automatically connected to the Telegram channel, right? Now the group is private. We connected to the Telegram channel. Now this is what you're going to do. This is what you're going to do now. You're going to go to this group, all right? Copy the group link. Copy the group link, okay? Then come to the channel. So this is the group. Come to the channel. This is the channel. This first message that you have here, highlight it, edit it, and say, the first thing you need to do is to join the support group to answer your question. Put the link to the support group here. And then you click on check. So when they join the group, all right, this is what they see first. Welcome to the XYZ course. The first thing you need to do is to join the group. They join the group. Now, you're going to write another thing here inside this group that you're going to pin. That will be the only thing you will pin. Welcome to the Strategic WhatsApp Marketing Course Support Group. This is where you can ask questions. You can ask questions about the group, about the course. and get support. To access the course, please go to the channel. Let's post this first. We will need the channel link. So now we are going to go back, come back to this channel, go to edit, copy the channel link, and go and put it inside the group. So we're going to edit this message, edit, and then we'll put it here. And then we pin it. Now, the reason why you are doing this is so that no matter anywhere any of your students get into this course, maybe they're in the group or they're in the chat, or they can still find the course, they can still find the channel, they can still find the group. So you're linking everything together. So we are going to pin this. Okay, this is already pinned. We are going to pin this to the chat. So this has been pinned now. So when new members join, right? When new members join, the first thing they see is this pin chat. The pin chat can just automatically take them to the course. When they join the course, the first thing they see is this one. This one can bring them back to the group. You see that? And then they come back here. It brings them back to the course, and they can start watching your course from here like this. So let's say you put all your course content here, all right? You put all your course content down to the last module. You will put another instruction again at the bottom that says, so thank you for, or congratulations, you have completed the course. Congratulations, you've completed the course. You can now do X, Y, Z. If you have any questions, always ask in the support group. And then you put the support group link here. Let me go and copy the support group link. Are you people follow? Is this making sense to you guys, or am I speaking Greek? Now you can even see what has happened here. Since we created the group, after we created the group, you can now see that there's something called leave comments. So even if they're not even in a chat group and they want to leave a comment, they click on leave comment, it takes them to the chat group. Any comment they leave here, hello, please, how can I set up my DM? You will not see it inside the channel. It's not in the channel. It's inside the support group. So if I come here to the support group, you are going to see it there. Hello, please, how can I set up my DM? Then you can answer here inside the group. Oh, do this and do that. But it will be highlighted that that question is under this specific content. So if anybody has a question about this one, so what I'm going to say here is before you start putting your content, right, make sure you've created a group, connect it to a discussion before you start putting your videos. So let's say I want to put another video here, for example. This one is too big. Let's say I want to put this video and we'll say it's module 7, right? And we'll put it like this. You can see this leave comments option will also come up. You see that? So make sure that the first thing you will do, let me reiterate. The first thing you do after you create your channel is make sure that the content is restricted. After you've done that, the next thing you're going to do is connect it to a discussion. After you connected it to a discussion, before you can now start uploading your content according to the structure that you have created. Remember, the first thing is this. Like then you put all the structure, and then once you are done with the content, make sure you put an instruction that leads them back to the chat group so that there is no confusion whatsoever. When people get inside your course, everything is clear and understandable. Is there any question before we move to the part of connecting it to a payment platform? Are there any questions for me? Any questions before we get to connecting it to a payment? Any questions, any confusion whatsoever? Jerry, did you get that? Is it clear? I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes to digest. For me, the steps are clear. All right, great. Great. I never knew Telegram can be used to host courses like this. Yes, it can. It can. Thank you, Buchi. It's very clear. All right, great. So if what you want to create on Telegram, okay, before I show you people how to connect it to payments, let me show you how to do it if you already have a group. Let's say you already have like an existing group. You can also restrict content to your Telegram group. It's not only channel. Before we come back to this, let's say you have a Telegram group that you already have, that's already existing. So I have one Telegram group like that. So this is a free group that I have on Telegram. Let's say I have this and I don't want people to be able to download things from this group. It's already existing. Just go here, go to where is the part? Oh, I'm not a group admin on this group. So I may have to switch my account so that I can show you how to do that. So let me come here. Come here, and I'll go to edit. So you're going to come to, I think it's the permissions. Let me see. Okay, chat is visible. This is okay. Okay, great. So let me show you guys how to do that. If you already have an existing group and you don't want them to download the content, you can still do that. So come to your group, go to edit, go to group type, and you can see the option at the bottom, restrict saving content. So this is a free community, this is a free group. I didn't want to restrict the content. I want them, they can save, they can do anything. So that's why I turned it off. But once I turn it on, they will not be able to save any content from here. So if you have an existing group that you want to change, you can do that right here. You can do that using this step. Is that clear? Is that clear? And if what you are doing is a training, so if what you are doing is a training, let's say a class is not a course, you can just create a group. If you are doing a training, because you can see I have the Grow Challenge 2.0. I did a training inside this community last month. It was not a recorded class, right? So how I did that was I created a group, not a channel. If it's a recorded course, create a channel, connect it to a group. If it's a training, maybe you are doing Forex classes and training and all, you can create a group. But how do you do that? Should I walk you guys through how to do that before we now connect payments? Should I do that or I should just move on? People should tell me, people are the one in this class. I know I'm oversharing. Should I do it or I should mind my business? Okay, all right, great. Okay, yes, please do it. All right, great. I'm going to do that. All right. So if what you are selling is a class or a support group, is not a course that you want to record, it's just a class that you can structure. This is how you can do it. How you can do it is create a group, not a channel. So I'm going to add myself. Name it the group, let's say Forex Trading 101 class. And let me add an image. Let me use this one again. Let's choose people. I click on create. Now you can see the difference between a group and the channel. You did not see that option to restrict content. You can actually still do it after you've created a group. So we are going to go to here, go to edit, go to group type, and then restrict the content so that people cannot save it. All right. Now you've created your group. How do you now ensure that this group is properly structured? So if this is a training group where you have different things happening inside the group, one thing I'm going to advise you to do is to create topics. There's something called topics on Telegram now. It will help you structure your group. How do you do that? The first thing you need to do is after you've created the group, you've turned on restrict content. That's if you don't want them to download anything in the group, is to come here, go to edit, see the thing that says topics, turn it on. Turn on that option that says topic, okay? So once you turn on the option, you can now create different topics. So let's say your class is for training people on Forex, but you don't want people to mix the live, you'll be having live classes. You also be doing Q&A. You also be doing daily chats where you show them daily live chat or stuff. You can create different topics about all those things. So this one can be daily chats. That's Forex chats. Daily chats where you upload daily chats. You can turn it to, you can give it any signal you want. Let's call it daily signal. Yeah, that's the word I used to use. Daily signal. Then let's create another one. create a new topic that says live classes, live trainings. You create it, you can put anything you want. Create another one that says ask questions or Q&A. Ask questions here. Then let's say there's another thing you want to be doing in your group. That's why, again, if it's a training you want to do, you need to have a structure of what you're doing in the group. If you are going to be giving them daily signal, they will ask questions, you do live training. What else are they doing again? Whatever thing you want to do again, let's say you also be doing, what else? What else can they do in Forex class? I don't know. Well, let's say these are the 3 things you want to be doing in your group. Instead of just having one group where everybody can type different things and then there will be confusion, right? You can just have this group to do whatever thing you want to do, okay? So with this group like this now, when you now open your group, which is the Forex trading class, this is how your group is going to look like. So once I open this Forex trading, I don't have to be confused again. Ask questions. This is where all the Q&A talk. Question and answer can be happening here, right? Live training. Anytime we have a live training, after we finish the live training, I will send the video of the live training inside this place, right? Daily signal. Any day you have daily signals, all days, you just be putting daily signal there. You tell people, nobody should post inside this group, only daily signals that go here. If you want to ask question in the place that says ask question. If you want to go live inside Telegram, you just click here. You come here to live. You can schedule a call. You can start a live call. So you can schedule, let's say you want to go live today at 8 p.m. You can schedule the live. And once it's 8 p.m., you can go live. Once it's 8 p.m., now you've scheduled the live. So the live thing is going to be here. So once it's time, you click on it. You can now go live on the call. Okay, but I can't go live right now because I'm on this Google Meet call. All right, so that's how you can go live on Telegram. So by the time you finish going live, when you are live, you can record your session, record the live session. After you record it, your session will be saved to something called saved. So your live session will be saved here. So let's say this is the live session that you've recorded and your live session saved here. You now want to move it to your Forex class so that people who did not attend can watch it. You just need to forward it to the Forex class and put it in live training. And then you click on send. So now if I come to your Forex class 101, you will see that we have live training. The live training video will be there. No confusion. If it comes to question and answer, it's not there. So here they can type, oh, I need help. Oh, they can type and talk here. It will not show in the live training part. So that's how you can segment your group if you want to do a training, like a live training is not a course, right? The same way you can also sell this group using Nestude. You can automatically add people inside this group. You can automatically sell this group or sell the course that you have in that channel using Nestude. So do you have any question before I now finally show you how to connect it to Nestude to start making money from it? Any question, guys? Any question? Please ask your questions, guys. Any question before I share that final part? How to now connect it to Nestude? Any question? Ask me, oh. No question is a waste, oh. Ask me now. Any question? I'll give you 1 minute to decide if you want to ask me a question or not. Is there any question? Okay, seems there are no questions, so I can move on. If there's no question, do you people understand? Okay, it's all clear. Great. All right, so let me show you how to now set up your Nestude to be able to collect payment. Now, this is how am I going to put it? You can, the beautiful part about Nestude, you don't need laptop to actually set it up. So let me show you how to do that, to connect it to Nestude to get your payment. So we are going to come here to Nestude. let me go here. Am I sharing my screen? Okay. Yeah. So this is NestHuge. Again, we're going to create a course and we're going to call it a course. If it's your training, you can call it community. But this is a course. We're going to say continue. And we're going to say WhatsApp marketing. WhatsApp marketing course. And just put your description. Let me upload an image. So resources, where are you connecting it to? You can connect it to a Telegram group. So you have to connect Telegram now to NestHuge. So let me go and show you guys how to do that. Before we create this product, let's cancel the product. Let's cancel the product. Remember I said before you start creating any product, just connect all your connectable. So the first thing you need to do is come here, go to integrations, go to Telegram, connect with Telegram. All right. So to say, hi, Lucky, thanks for connecting your NestHuge app to Telegram. We'll let you know whenever anything happens. Okay, I think this has connected. Okay, I don't have any group that I connected, but I think my Telegram is connected now. I've connected my Telegram. If I want to connect NestHuge to a group, all I have to do is to come here, right? And I'll say add to a group or to a channel. So let's say I want to add NestHuge to a group or to a channel. I will just say add to a group to a channel, and I will select the strategic, where is it? The strategic marketing chart. So NestHuge works better on groups, I think, for now, right? Am I correct? Am I
Yes,
correct,
you are.
Ruth?
Yes,
Okay,
you are.
yeah. So the essence of connecting NestHuge to your group is to help you do certain things, but we are going to get there. So let us say you want to connect. You don't have to do it though. You don't have to connect it to a group. It's not important. It's not compulsory. But let me just show you how all the possibilities. So you connect it to a WhatsApp group, and you give it all the things you want to give it. So remain anonymous. If you want it to remain anonymous, you can leave that one. And then you make sure you give it admin rights, and then you click on add both as an admin. So add as an admin. So NestHuge will be added to your group. So you can see NestHuge has been added, was successfully added to your group. NestHuge is now added to this group. Okay, so let's go back to our NestHuge. We've not successfully done this. We connected NestHuge to Telegram. So now let's go back to creating a nest. So let's create our nest again. WhatsApp marketing course. Description. Let us still put this here. Then let's upload an image for our products. Resources. So now I want to connect this to a Telegram group. So we can do Telegram. What is the name? WhatsApp marketing course. You can now select a group. Do you guys see the group here? This thing is not showing very well, but I think there's something showing here, but because it's my phone, oh God. Let's see. Let me see if it can work like this. Okay. Let's go back to the bot to see if it's connected. So this is the bot. Let's use here to see if our group is connected. Couldn't find available groups. Is it not in the group? It's connected to the group now. Strategic WhatsApp marketing chat. Well, guys, why am I not seeing group? Oh, people should come and help me here. So I'm supposed to see like a group. The group that I've connected it to here is supposed to come out here. Maybe because I'm using my phone, I'm not sure. But okay, I have that group connected to. I have this NestHuge connected to another account. So I think because it's connected to two accounts, it could that be why root. We cannot connect one NestHuge bot to two different Telegram accounts, right? Like one Telegram account to two different NestHuge accounts.
You should be able to just give me a minute. Let me confirm. Nelson, are you here? Do you want to clarify that?
I think that's why, because this Telegram is connected to another NestHuge account, which is the main one I use to
Is
sell.
it already showing a message account when I click on Telegram group? Can you click on there and let's see if anything comes up? The Telegram group option.
Okay, add. So we have Telegram.
Click on that group. Let's see. No, Telegram group. Click on it.
The drop down is not showing.
Oh, maybe, I think it's because maybe there's a group connected already before.
Yes, I've already connected this to another Nest account.
Yeah, I think that might be the reason why.
Yeah. So you can only connect one Telegram account to one Nest account for it to work. So you cannot connect one Telegram account to two Nest accounts. I think that's why it's doing like that, because as you can see from here, I have it connected to. You can connect it to as many groups. So, but this growth challenge is connected to another Telegram account that I used to sell as Digital Creator Chick. This is a new account that I created today. I created it for the purpose of this class, this one that I'm using now. So I think that's why. So if you've created it, you can just put it here and you select the group that you connected here, and you can just say immediately and you'll be able to connect it like that. Alternatively, let me just show you the alternative way that you can do it right now. If that's not working, you can ignore this part that says resource items. You can ignore it and then click on save and continue. If you don't want to connect it to your Telegram, you can ignore it, click on save and continue, and you'll still be able to connect Telegram. Let me show you how to do it. Let me show you how to do that real quick. But it's a very simple process, as you guys can already see. So collect name, email, phone number. Collect phone number only if you want to save the number to your Google contacts. Otherwise, just delete it. But let's go on. Payments. I've already explained this to you people before. But let's say this is 35,000. Let's say this is 35,000 naira. I already explained this payment, so I'm not going to explain it. If you have a limited slot, let's say only 20 people can buy this, you can just put it there. Enter the name, WhatsApp marketing course, and then you click on done. You can create coupon. I'm not going to explain that. Hey, wait, I put 350K. Hey, no matter, no matter. You click on done. I'm not going to explain all this. I already explained that. And then you click on continue. So, how can you add Telegram? What is the second way you can add Telegram? You can connect this to Telegram. This is the second way without sharing the link. You can just say, send users to a link. Where is it? Oh, send email to subscriber trigger. I think I would have to use that account, guys. You know what?
No, you can actually use it on this one. So if you go back to the resources part, you see it there.
Okay, it's back up.
Yes, no, so under the details page, not under the details. Yeah, so go back.
I don't scatter everything.
Sorry. So I scroll down.
Okay, under details. Okay, so add
Yeah, so
items.
resources, yeah.
Telegram.
Yeah.
It's not there. It's
So secure invite to Telegram.
yes. Let me refresh it. Maybe I have to go and use my Digital Creator Chick account for this thing to work.
Hopefully, maybe that will have to happen.
Let me go and use.
Get a replay.
Let me go and use my Digital Creator Chick account. One sec, guys.
You're muted. We can't hear you.
I said I ended the call by mistake.
No
So
problem.
I'm so sorry. So I let me log into my new account.
Okay.
So my digital creator chick account is already connected. That's already connected to NestUge, but you guys already understand how to connect it. The connection is very easy. So I'll just use the one that is already connected so that there is no confusion. All right. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen, guys. So sorry, yo. So sorry, yo. All right. Okay, so let's come back to Telegram. Can you guys see my screen? I think you can. So this is NestUge bot. This is supposed to be out of here. So we're going to kick this Mr. Man out of here. So we're going to add it to a group now. We're going to add it back inside this group with that my account, with the main account that I have. All right. So great. Let's now come here. Let's create the course, the WhatsApp marketing course. WhatsApp marketing course. Let's put the image. Okay, resources. So connect to a Telegram group. So you see the options. Yay! Do you guys understand? I don't know why I'm so
It's
excited.
finally, it's finally showing now.
Yeah, it's because
Yeah.
I have it connected to 2 accounts. So this is my main account that I use. I have to create a new account just to walk you guys through.
Yeah.
So yeah.
We all
So,
understand.
do you guys understand?
Don't worry, there'll be a replay. I know it's a pretty long, like there'll be a replay for everyone.
But if you don't
Yeah.
understand, just ask.
Ask question.
It's
Yeah.
better that you are here and you ask questions than you don't ask. And then you now go and be waiting for replay to get your answer. And I will not be there when you're watching replay.
Exactly. So Jerry and Chukwemeka, Healthsome, Joy, who else is here? James, who else is here? Do you all understand? Charles, do you understand? Onyebuchi, do you understand? Okay, I'm seeing thumbs up. Okay, good.
All
More
right, great,
thumbs
great.
up, please.
Okay, great. So it's a very simple process. I'm going to reiterate what I've said. Once you create your NestUge account, connect it to all the things you need to connect it to. Telegram, this one, just follow the instruction. Once you connect NestUge to your Telegram account, click on the NestUge name and add it to a group, any group you want to add it to. And that's it. All right? So when you now want to create your product, when you create the product, you add the name, you add the instruction, click on resources. Instead of saying send to a secure Google Drive, you send to a Telegram group. All right? So you're going to put the title of the course as the title. The Telegram group, select the one you want to send them to, and then you say immediately they subscribe. And then you click on done. All right? So now your Telegram group will be connected here. All right? So we're going to now click on save and continue. So all of these things we are doing now, you can do it with the free version. So this is pretty much things that you can do with the free version. Right? Am I correct? Please, correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, you are correct. You're correct.
All right, great. So again, you can add the phone number or remove it, depending on if you want to save phone numbers. Then you go to payment. I've showed you guys payment before, so I'll not really do much about payments. So let's say 35,000. Limited slots, 20 people only can get this. So you see selected items, the WhatsApp marketing course on Telegram. So I'm going to now click on done, right? Then save. You can add coupons like I showed you guys. Save and continue. Then automations. Automation is like you can connect it. You can send them an automatic email if you want. This email, you don't need an email service provider to do this one. Just write the subject line of the email, write the content of the email, say who you are sending it to, what people who buy the WhatsApp marketing course, say when they will send it immediately, and then you write the content and you click on done. you'll be able to send emails to them. Let's just do something. Let us do something. Hi, name. Thank you for buying. Thank you for buying the WhatsApp marketing course. Let's just assume that we also want them to get this email, right? Ensure to join the Telegram community ensure to join the Telegram community already in your inbox, or simply check your Telegram with the number you have provided to be added. Simply check your Telegram number you provided to be added, and your So usually I like to send these welcome emails to my people who buy my stuff, so that to make them feel relaxed and welcome, not like you just buy the course and then you are just left there. Okay, so one key thing I want to say, if you are selling your course on Telegram, collect numbers. All right, so collect numbers. So I've added that. You can also add other things. You can add the subscriber to your Google contact so that it automatically saves. So if I click it now, I already have like Google contacts. I already connected my Google contact here. So I can just say WhatsApp, strategic WhatsApp marketing. This is the tag. So everybody that pays for this course, we have this tag, strategic WhatsApp marketing, right? Automatically, I have people like that in my WhatsApp. So when I search for CTC class, you will see all the people that register for one of my free class. You can see CTC class, CTC class, CTC class. I use Nestsuite and automatically saved. So I'll click on done and we'll click on finish and your course will be ready. So I'm going to test run the course now so you can see. It's raining heavily here. Oh. Can you put see my screen? I'm literally shouting at the top of my voice. Hey, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Okay, great. We can see. Okay. Can you see my screen now? All right, great. So I want to buy the course. All right. Oh, I need to go and create a coupon. Oh, let me go and create a coupon for the course so that I can buy the course. Let me go and create coupon. Oh, let me create coupon. Okay, so I've created coupon. Let me refresh. So I want to buy this course. I'll use the coupon code. The reason why I'm creating coupon is because I want to be able to buy it without paying anything. Okay, full name. Email. What email address should I use now? Phone number. Then I'll click on continue. Oh, I need to put correct phone number. number. Oh, wala, oh, wala, oh, wala. Wala. Oh. Anyways, even if I don't put it, I can just click on join group. Only one person can join with this, can join your group with this. I put a wrong phone number. I wanted to test run it. We have to go and buy it again. Let me go and buy it again and put correct phone number, guys. Sorry. So that you see how it works. Sorry, oh, sorry. Let me go and copy my phone number. Let me go. Sorry. Let me go back. Let's go and buy this thing again. Okay. I hope. All right, so let's join the group. So I click on join group. And I'll be able to join the group, right? Now I'm now in the group. Okay. So I'm in the group. I see the stuff and I say, oh, click here to go and access the course. And I'm able to access the course in the channel, right? Can you guys see it? Is it making sense, guys?
Yes, I can see it. It looks good.
Oh, okay. All right, great. Great. So one thing I want to say in this group, in the chat, when you add the bot, all these plenty things will be here. So you have to like maybe want to delete all these things off when you the time you added those bots so that it will not mess up your. Make sure you do everything. Add, you see, Lucky Ella, oh, I've joined. Make sure you delete all these things before people join. Just delete the message so that it doesn't mess up whatever thing. So I'm going to delete all these things. So I like to delete all these things. Just hold it down. You'll be able to delete them off. I don't know why. But anyway, you can delete all these things like this out of so that it doesn't mess it up. And yeah, no need to unpin this one in the group. So this is the only thing that is pinned in your group. This is the only thing, right? So let me go back to the person that was just added. So that's how basically you can access the course. So I've been added to the group. All those things I've deleted out. So you have joined this group. And so let's say I just joined this group now, right? I just joined the group and I go to the pin comments. It takes me straight to the course and I'm able to access the course and see what's happening in the course. So once I'm in the course, I go to the pin comments. It says, this is this. I can start watching from here and taking it through like that, like that. Does that make sense? Any questions? So that's how to practically like put your course on Telegram, put it on Google Drive and sell it with NestHuge. Do you have any question? Is there any confusion whatsoever? Any confusion? Let me know, guys. Any confusion? Any confusion?
None for my end. It looks good for my end.
Okay. So with that, I think I've done my job here. Roots, I think I'm done.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too. I think I should just say a final word before maybe Roots take over and explain some things about NestHuge. Like the person who asked. I think Charles asked the question. So the final thing I'm going to say is when it comes to hosting your course on any platform, whether it's Google Drive or Telegram or anywhere, it's all about making sure that there is a structure and there is clarity. That when anybody, even if it's a dummy that wants to access the course, there are okay. I didn't even show you guys the email that I received. Wait, though. NestHuge have sent me emails. NestHuge would have sent me an email since I registered. Let me see. So you can see it. Digital Creator Chic, WhatsApp marketing course. So you can see it. Hi, hello. Thank you for buying the WhatsApp marketing course. Ensure you join. Da, 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 da. So you see that you will definitely receive. If I want to reply to this now, this thing is replying to Eloho that sent it to me, right? I'll be replying to Eloho that sent it to me, right? Which is the account that she has connected to Nextude, and she will receive the email and be able to reply to me. So that's one thing I forgot to mention that. So yeah, the email actually sent the one you set up, and I think another thing, the contact would have saved on my phone too. Let me show you guys. I think we added save to Google Contacts. That thing would have saved on my phone. Did we add save to Google Contacts? We now have Eloho. You can see it now. Eloho Lucky SMW. That was the tag that I used. Eloho Lucky SMW. That's saved to my Google Contacts automatically as well. So that's something you also I needed to like point out for you guys. So with that being said, like I said, closing remark is that anything you do when it comes to hosting your course, make sure that there is clarity in whatever thing you are doing. There's clarity, you have structure, everything is properly structured. Arrange it in a way that there will be no confusion. Like when somebody pay for it, they will not even be thinking that, oh, this is a Telegram course or this is a Google Drive course. Because everything is arranged. The time that people will start saying, why do you even have your course on Telegram? Is when they don't understand what's going on. They enter the Telegram, video day, they don't know the next one to watch. Everything is just scatter, you know. So that's one thing I want to use to close the whole thing. And yeah, so I think that's all. There's other things you need to do, selling the course, marketing the course. Those are like a whole different ball game entirely. But this is just like focus on helping you automate your process, because marketing is already like a whole lot of work. You now add marketing, joining manually, giving people onboarding. That's a lot. So if you get this part covered, then the next thing is, how do I market my course? How do I sell it? All right. So that's something you now need to figure out. You can follow me on Instagram at Digital Creator Chic. I talk a lot about all these things a lot. And yeah, we can connect from there. So thank you, Nestude. Thank you, Ruth, for having me. I'll still be hanging here in case there are any questions that I need to answer. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Lucky. Like this has been really, really, really insightful. And to see someone using the clapping emoji, can you guys just say thank you in the chat box? Let's also allow the emoji to rest now. Just say thank you. Can just say thank you to Lucky if you learned so much in this class today. So just say thank you, thank you, thank you to Lucky, thank you.
There's a question, Ruth. So
Okay,
someone asks, if someone wants to pay for the course, yes, the only link you are sending to the person is Nestude link.
Absolutely, yeah.
That's the only link you will send. The Nestude link. You don't need to send your Google Drive or your Telegram link. You're not sending all those things. So you've already connected them on Nestude. Just send them the Nestude registration page link where they can use to pay. And that's it.
Thank you, thank you. I can see Lucky saying thank you in the chat box. Someone says, Onyebuchi says thank you, Lucky. James says thank you, Lucky. Someone said, Jerry says thank you so much, Madam Lucky, for this session. It was worth the time, absolutely. Say send me lunch. Yes,
he said that he's going that I deserve lunch, so she send me lunch now.
Yeah, you deserve a good lunch. Absolutely,
yes,
she does.
Send me lunch. Please don't mind the way I spell my lunch. Oh, it's because I lunch products.
She can speak.
Don't mind the way I spelled my lunch. That's how I always spell lunch, because I'm always launching one thing or the other. So
oh my God, that's so accurate. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. And just before we round up, I'll just show you a bit about Nestude and how you can actively create an account on Nestude. I think Lucky already did that before, but I think what I'll just do now is I'll show you the different integrations we have, what you can use them for, and other features that you can use on Nestude. And then towards the end, I will share a link that if you use that particular link to register, you will get 7.5% discount whenever you upgrade to premium. And another good thing is that if you want to be paid Lucky, whenever you use that particular link, you also give her 2.5% because she's our teacher. She want to give us this particular session, right? So if you want to send Lucky lunch, right, you can use this link to put some coin into our account, because whenever anyone uses this link, 2.5% of the money goes to Lucky, right? So just stay to the end and I will share that link with you. You get 7.5% discount whenever you use this particular link, and our facilitator, Lucky, that has done so well for us today, we get 2.5% of the money too. But just stay tuned and I'll share that with you. But let me just share my screen now, and then I will show you the different integrations that can be done on Nestude. Yep, that I'm done on Nestude. So just give me a minute and let me share my screen. Okay. Can you all see my screen now? Can you all see my screen now? Can you see my screen? Let me know if you can see my screen. Okay, awesome. Okay, awesome, awesome. So this is my own account, as you can see with the Okoli written up there. Yes, you can. Thank you so much, Jerry. Jerry is like our most active student. Jerry, don't worry, we'll give you a merch because you'll be like our most Jerry and Onyebuchi, they'll be like our most active student in this class. We'll give you something. Don't worry. We have a number, we'll reach out to you and we'll send something to you. We'll give you a merch. We have next stage merch that's available, a tote bag, we'll send one to you. Thank you so much for being really, really active and participating throughout this session. But let me just go ahead and so it's already past time, so that we can be done in like 7 minutes. And we can be done with this. Okay, so when you come over to your next dashboard, I have different classes already, different stuff already on my dashboard. But just come here, click here, you see integrations. So these are the different integrations that we have on Nesthuge. If you're running a class or a course, you can connect it to Facebook Pixel so that you can run ad directly to, and you can run your ad directly to Nesthuge using Facebook Pixel and track your metrics, track your numbers. If you can also connect your Google Calendar. So if you have like a one-day event, you can, and anyone that registers for that event with their email address, they automatically have their calendar blocked because when they register, you can connect the event to their calendar so that they're reminded about that particular event and they don't forget about that particular event. So when you sync your Google integrations to Google Calendar to Nesthuge, anyone that registers with their email address, that email address is automatically, they have like a request for that time frame to be blocked, if it's like from 12 to 2 or whatever, is blocked so that they are reminded about a particular class. The Google Contact is one that Lucky already showed us before. Whenever you use Google Contact integration, anyone that registers for your class automatically automatically have their phone number saved on your phone or your Google Contact on your phone, right? Lucky did an example for us previously, so you saw that the class that she did, there was the phone number of that particular class on it. So I think it was Lucky something like I can't remember, but she just showed us before, right? Same to the Google Drive, the one that we already did in the class earlier on. So Google Drive integration, whenever you connect a Google Drive to it, everyone that registers for this particular class automatically have access to your Google Drive. You don't have to go and start accepting email like just one after the other. You don't have to start accepting one after the other. Immediately they register with the right email address, they get access to all the information in that particular folder they have connected to Nesthuge. Same with Google Sheets. This is just for you to add contact to Google Sheet, maybe on your laptop or on your Google Drive or your Google Sheet, basically, so that anyone that registers automatically have the details added to that Google Sheet. For MailChimp and SendGrid, you can if we already have like our email platform like Lucky showed you before, but if you already have an emailing list in SendGrid or MailChimp or any other emailing platform, you can sync it to Nesthuge and trigger an email from Nesthuge. Don't worry, immediately you click on integrations. I can just show you one now. Immediately click on integrations and you click on those, and then they will like show you how to connect it. So it's an easy process, step by step, and then you connect it. I don't have a MailChimp account, so I cannot connect it. I don't have a MailChimp account. But if you have a MailChimp account, it's an easy process that you can just connect it, right? Then next, same thing for SendGrid. And then Telegram, Lucky also showed us how to use Telegram now. Slack also the same thing, and then Zoom. So for Zoom, anyone that registers for your class, they automatically have like a secured access to your Zoom course, so they don't have to share the Zoom link to anybody anymore. And then anyone that registers can automatically get into the class without you worrying about, oh, have they gotten the link? Have they not gotten the link? All of those situations, right? So those are like the different integrations and automations that can be done on Nesthuge. If I also come here, if I also just pick on the particular class I did before, before I go to that, let me also just show you. So for transactions, so for example, if it's a paid course, you see the amount of, so this I have 5 people that pay for this course, and then this is the amount that I got from the course. So you see the number of transactions you have from every course that you do here. Number of people that register for your classes here, and then this is where you copy the link. Somebody mentioned before that what link will they share to people that registered for that want to buy their course. You just come here and click on this copy sign, and then it turns green. When it turns green, you know that the link has been copied, and now you can go and paste the link anywhere. You can either come here, and then I can paste the link. So this is the link now that was copied from that particular one, right? Right. So if you come here, you see the link there, but just maybe you click on it and then it shows green. You know that it has been copied already, right? Then what else do we want to show us? One final thing, and then we go. We have 3 minutes more to wrap this up. One final thing, and then we will go. So again, Lucky showed us how to create an account. I had to set up our account. So let me just move past all of this. So put the details of the class, of the course, fill the form to ask for names and all of those stuff. Put the payment details, then click on next. So this is where you can now add the different integrations. So if you want to send an email, trigger email for MailChimp, send a welcome message, all of those different integrations that we saw before, this is where you can now actively add them to a particular nest that you want to create, right? So that's basically like a rundown of everything that can be done on NestHuge. Just to wrap up, you can use NestHuge for different things. For WhatsApp communities, for Telegram communities, right? For Slack communities, you can use NestHuge to host them or to also manage membership, right? Another thing that you can use NestSwitch for is for your event. So you have a physical or an online event that is a one-day event, you can use NestSwitch to do that, right? So I don't know if you saw earlier on when you click on create a nest, you see different options that you can create. Let me just share my screen so that you guys can quickly see that in case anybody missed that part. Okay, awesome. So when you come to, you can see the different options here, or the different things that you can actually create on NestHuge here, right? So you can either create a community, like I mentioned before, a WhatsApp or Telegram community. You can sell your courses, so self-hosted courses on Google Drive, like we just did right now. Also, if you have a course and you want to share, you can also share it on NestHuge. And also events. So if you have an event you're hosting, an online or physical event you're doing, or a webinar you're doing like this one, this was also posted on NestHuge, right? You can use NestHuge for it, right? And then finally, bundles. So this bundle is like our new feature that we just came about. It's like an option. It's like, you know, we're currently having Good Friday. It's an option for creators to package different things together and sell to their users as a discounted price. So for example, you have like 5 different books or 5 different courses that you want to sell, and maybe each of those books costs maybe 150k. But you're saying that they're telling people that if you buy 3 of them, if you buy 5 of them, you can buy it at 120k. So you basically just, people are just joining now where we are almost done. Right, so don't worry, you have the ability, so you can always go and watch the play. So with this bundle, the idea behind the bundle is that you have different classes, different courses that you have. I want to sell. Hi, Anita, please mute yourself. Okay, I'm just going to mute you. Okay, so you want people, you have like 5 courses or 5 books that you want to sell, and maybe each of them is like 30k, and then all of them comes to 150k. But you're like, you know what, if you can buy 5 of them, buy at 120k, and then you package them together or put them on NestHuge, and then you can sell like that, right? So it's a way of getting creators to make more money, sell more, while also providing some level of discount and its incentive to their audience, right? So this is what you can do on NestHuge and many more. If you have any question for us, you can send us a DM at Try NestHuge, and we are always there to reply in less than 1 hour. So we're replying to your DMs, right? Or if you have any other question, you can always, if you have any other issue when using the app, you can always click on this button, this black question mark here, and then this question mark here, and then it shows you what to do. So if you just click on, if you're on app and then you are stuck, click on the question mark. It tells you what exactly you need to do and how you can let me just stop sharing, how you can get help, right? Charles, you have a question?
Yes, I do. Thank you for the presentation.
You're welcome.
For the different tiers of plans that you have, they are actually capped by the runs. You know, can you explain what a run means?
Okay, that's actually a really good question. Thank you so much for mentioning that. So I'm going to okay. So let me. So a run is an automation. A run is an automation, right? And if you can't hear me, it's from your end. You can leave and join again. Everyone else can hear me clearly. Thank you. So remember we mentioned that there are different automations and integrations that we have. So let's say, for example, let's go back to Lucky's class. So remember when Lucky attached that email sent to people that register for our course, and when anybody registers, she gets the person get that email. Do you remember that?
Yes, that's clear.
Awesome. So immediately that email goes to the subscriber or to the buyer of that particular course. That is one. So that's one automation that has been carried out. Now imagine if 20 people paid for our course, and 20 people get that email sent out to them, that is 20 runs. So when you come on NestSuite, you have 300 free runs, right? You have 300 free runs, and then when you upgrade to a premium version, you have, I think, 1,000 runs, and then there are different runs per different packages. So maybe I should just show you our website so that you can also see the different runs available. So basically, a run is an automation. So again, if you must remember, when she saved the contact on her phone, that is also one particular run. So if 20 people registered for a class and she saved, and automatically 20 contacts are saved on her phone, that's also 20 runs, right? So when you register on NestSuite, you get access to, and I think that is really, really cool, because you can actually start hosting your class, start hosting your paid or free class without even having to bother about figuring out an email automation, or figuring out how to what's the word, go and start paying for on that emailing app or any other thing, right? So I think that's really, really cool. So let me just show you. So if you come to our, can you all see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Awesome. So if you come to the pricing page, you go down. So you see that for the free platform that everyone have access to currently, if I have an account, everyone have access to this. You have 3,000 ones for free, and then when you go to the premium version, you have 1,000 ones, 2,500 ones, and 5,000 ones for different amounts here, right? But the good thing is that because you are currently in this class, if you register using, let me just share Lucky's code now. If you register using Lucky, sorry, Charles, did I answer your question? Do you understand what runs means now? Before I move on.
Yeah, absolutely. I think I get what you mean now. It's
awesome. Thank you
a
so
lot
much.
clearer.
Thank you.
So in terms of payments,
okay,
right? Do you take payments from other, how would I call it?
Currencies?
Currencies outside
absolutely.
Naira.
Yes, absolutely. So we take payments. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, my question is still remaining. Outside that, can you vary prices based on location of your customers?
Yes. So based on if they're in UK, US, all of those things, right?
Yes. That's the question. Yeah.
Yes. So you can actually do that. Thank you so much. That was actually a very brilliant question. Thank you so much for asking that question, Charles. So yes, we take currency, we take payments in a lot of currencies, about eight currencies. So you pounds, dollars, Ghana cedis, Kenya cedis, all of those things. We take payment all of those different currencies. Also, if for a particular cost is 5,000 naira here, and you want people that are in US to pay $5, 5,000 naira is not really okay. Or maybe let's say it's 10,000 naira here. I want people in US pay like $20. That's not really the equivalent of 10,000 naira. That's a bit higher. But you don't want them to pay the direct equivalent. You want them to pay a bit higher. So you can actually put $20 as opposed to just, so if you don't put $20, NestSuite will automatically do the conversion for you, and your US or UK audience will pay the conversion on NestSuite put for you. However, if you want it, whereby you want them to pay the amount you put in there, they can pay. You can put in your own amount for the cost or the stuff in other currencies, and they'll pay that particular amount you put in there.
So I can specify for different currencies. Is that
absolutely
correct?
Yes,
that's
absolutely
interesting. Yeah.
Yes. So if you don't want to specify, if you don't know how much to charge, you can just leave it as a Nigerian amount, and anyone that is in US or UK, they will automatically see the conversion in their currency. So if it's 5,000, I think 5,000 naira in dollars, like $5 or $4.5. So if someone that is in US now, you automatically see $5 there or $4.5 on their own side. But if it's that you're saying, okay, you know what, I want to pay $10 flat rate, you can put $10 there and even put 5,000 naira in Nigeria. Do you understand? Do you get that?
Yes. So the enterprise version of your software, I'm sorry to
no, it's totally fine. That's why we're here. It's totally fine.
Yeah, it says coming soon. So what does multiple brands really mean in this context?
Good. Thank you so much, Charles, once again. So basically, multiple brands for companies. So for example, you have a team of people, you have a company, and they're everyone managing the different courses or classes you have. So one account can have multiple multiple people sign into it, and they can work together in that. So let's say that you are maybe a Charles International right now, right? And then that Charles International, I have people that are working with you that are actually managing your courses and classes. But you can actually add their email addresses to your particular enterprise. So enterprise is like how like it's like the parent body that hosts your different employees. Yes. So you add your different employees email on that, and then they can all work together on that same chat under the chat international and do different stuff for the different communities or courses that you have. And actually, if you want it, just let us know and then we'll activate it for you. It's coming soon, but very soon. But people are currently using it, but just few people are using it because we're trying to also manage how people have access to it right now. But if you want it, yes, you can reach out to us and then we'll set it up for you. If you have like
Yeah, I think I'm much more interested in that. My last question, just not to keep you.
Yeah.
I saw something earlier that I would like to clarify.
Okay.
So in terms of customizations, right? Do you have your, how would I call it, your imprint on almost all the pages for the enterprise, or you're able to white label it in a way that it doesn't look, for example, for enterprises, they might not want Nestudge to actually be there, right? They just want it to look like theirs, like a custom solution for them. Is it one of the things you are open to do? Then,
okay, so let me just
yes,
go ahead.
yes, and the last part of the question is, a lot of people are actually cash strapped nowadays. Are you also looking at future integrations that will allow people pay small, or do have all those credit facilities amongst the payments options that you provide?
So are you saying that payment for the packages for the 5K?
No, not for your direct customer, not for the B2B customers. I mean the end users of your customer. For example, someone wants to buy my course. They can't afford to pay everything at once, right? I saw the subscription feature, which is good. Recurrent payment feature. I saw it earlier.
Yes, so that can actually work for that. Yes. So for example, if your course is 30K and people can only pay 15K in the beginning of the course, you can get them to pay 15K, and by mid-month they should have the remaining 15K and to pay for it. Now the good thing is that if you use your coming feature and you make it bi-weekly, if they pay 15K, close to the date, maybe like on the 14th or 15th of the month, you send them a reminder. Let them know that you need to pay for the second half of your course, right? And if they don't do that, you can automatically remove them from Telegram group chat. So you can actually so you can have different payment plans. You can have one that is full payment and one that is half payment. But the half payment has to come in as your covering payment. So maybe bi-weekly or something like that, right? And then when they pay for it, the first half, a mail will be sent them to remind that, okay, you have to pay for the second half. If you don't pay for the second half, you'll be kicked out of the class of the session. So you as people have to go and start figuring out who has not paid, or who should we start calling every day. Do you get my point? So all of those back end work has been done. So if you use your coming feature, it helps you with that. Does that help, Charles?
Yes, thanks.
You're welcome. Then for the question on the enterprise, can you clarify what do you mean by Nestudge? Because right now our logo doesn't show anywhere aside just the link. So aside just the link, that's all that we.
Okay, for example.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Okay, for example, I noticed that the links you generate are not customizable, right?
Oh,
I want on my domain. I want some,
Yeah, so you can customize your link. So let me show you something. So if you see, you can actually customize your link, but that's for the premium version, not for the free version. So let me try to share my screen and show you something. So if you see this particular course I was using to do an example for you guys before, can you see my screen? Let me just make sure that you can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So when you come here, right, and this turns green, because it's called how to land your high-paying job. Now I customize the link. Hold on, let me just show you. Okay, come down here. I customize the link here. Can you see the link customized? Can you see this? Yes, but can you see it's only for the premium option. So if you're not on premium, the link will just show any random. You know how random links can be, right?
Yes, but that's not where I'm going. This is good, at least to an extent.
Okay.
But what if I want it linked to my domain? It's possible to redirect it. I'm just saying, if
I'm not sure
I want maybe charles.com/whatever, but it's still running on
Oh,
your
I
stream
get what
channel.
you mean. I
That's
get
what I'm
what you
saying.
mean. So I get what you mean. So it should no longer be. You should no longer have what's it called? Nestwitch.com. They just Charles.
Yes.
Oh no, we don't have that. Right? It's our platform now. You are giving you a lot of things already. You want to now push it away?
No.
Mr.
I've
Charles.
actually had a company customize it for me before for another purpose. So I think it's very possible if you include
Okay.
that in your roadmap.
Thank
Yeah.
you for that. I mean, we can put that in our roadmap and look into that. But yes, but that's like a good question. I get what you mean, because again, people want their brand name to be bold and seen as long as they're paying for the services and they're paying for it. So of course we can look into that and we'll get back to you. Don't worry, we have your contact details. We'll in touch all of you that are here.
All right.
So don't worry,
Thank
we'll
you.
look into that. Right,
Thanks.
but for now, this is what we have. Thank you so much, Charles, for your questions. They're really insightful, and I'm sure that they're also beneficial to other people that also ask questions. But if I should ask you, aside that comment you made, is there anything that anyone would like to see on Nestwitch anymore and going forward? I know Charles has mentioned that he would like us to have a customized domain name. Any other person, is there any other thing that you would like us to include on Nestwitch to better our product and serve it better? Any other thing? Any other thing? And also, while we ponder on that, we currently now have the feature for you to upload your PDF files. So, for example, if you don't want to connect it to a Google Drive, you can connect the maybe if it's a course, obviously you have to connect to Google Drive. But if it's like a book you're selling, you can actually just upload the book to Nestwitch without having to connect to a Google Drive. Some people can just download the book, immediately they pay for it, and they move on. Right, so we also have that PDF option available now. Let me see if I can quickly show you guys that. But while I do that, any other question, any other contribution concerning what we can add going forward to Nestwitch? Do you have any other thing? I'll take the silence as nothing more to add. Okay, let me just show you the PDF version. So when you come to the details page, just scroll down where you see resources. So this is also where you add the Google Drive and all. So just click here and then you see share a PDF. So you can add the PDF here for your book and then share it to your people. Right? Was that clear? Any question, any comment? Are we good to go? Are we good to go? Should I take the silence as no question? Jerry, Fabian, Arimbola, Charles, good to go. James, thank you so much. Now, for you, just because you stayed to the end, the goodies that you want to benefit from is here. Can you add multiple items? Let's see. You should be able to do that. Yes, you can. Actually, yes, you can. You can add multiple items. Thank you. Why is Nestwitch one asking me a question? Wow. Anyways, so I just shared a link previously on the chat box. That link is the link that can give you 7.5% discount when you upgrade to any. Thank you so much, UK Maker. Thank you so much. That link will give you 7.5% discount when you upgrade to any of the premium packages and enterprise packages. Right. So instead of you paying the 5,000, right, you get to pay 7.5% lesser than that. Right. So I'll share the link again to the chat box. Advise that you just copy this link and paste it somewhere, and use this link to also sign up. Because for you to get that particular discount, you have to use this link to sign up and use this link to create your account. I will advise that you create an account right now on Nestwitch with this particular link and not just with www.nestwitch.com. Because this link has a ref code attached to it that says DCC100. This is Digital Creator Chick, which is Lucky, right? Our facilitator, right? So I'll advise that you use this account to register on Nestwitch right now. Start using Nestwitch, and when you want to upgrade to premium, you get to benefit 7.5% discount on the premium or enterprise packages. If you register without this link, you don't get to have it. So I'll tell you to create an account right now, right? Like create that right, so you don't forget. Create it today with this link. Sign up now with this link so that you can have this referral code on your own dashboard, and then whenever you want to upgrade to premium, you get a discount. Right? Thank you so much, everyone. I can see your comment. Thank you, James. It was insightful. I'm glad that it was insightful. Thank you so much, everyone. With this, you have come to the end of this session. A mail will be sent out by Wednesday with the link. The videos will be on this video will be on our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/trynessage. The link to our YouTube channel, the videos will be on our YouTube channel, so you can go back and watch it, share with your friends, and let's also use it to like set up your own way and setting up your site. You don't forget the step that Lucky has shared with us already before, right? Thank you so much, everyone, for joining, for staying to the end. You guys are really, really amazing. We are so happy that you guys came, and we're happy that this was really insightful and beneficial to everyone. Thank you for asking questions. Thank you for engaging. Thank you for being an amazing, amazing audience. Thank you so much, everyone. At this point, no more questions, right? Are we good to go? Can we say the grace? I can see the emojis. Thank you so much, Emeka. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Can we now say the grace? Can we say we are done? Have we delivered? 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 Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Do you think we delivered? Do you think we did a great job in this session? Let me know in the comment section if I go. Yes, you did. Thank you. Thank you. A question was posted in over delivered. Thank you so much. Yes. I love this audience. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Someone asked the question. Let me see. I was later. Oh, don't worry. You get this thing, the recording, so you can always go and watch it again. Thank you. Awesome. I will say this again. Please ensure that you copy this link that I put in the chat box now and sign up today. Sign up today using this thing. If you just sign up on our website, you can do that, but you will not get the 7.5 discounts that you benefit from when you sign up using this link. Thank you so much, everyone. I can see your comment. Thank you. Yes, the link will be available. Yeah, you already signed up. Amazing. Yeah, you shout it. I love it so much. So for Abimbola, for late comers, something that can be done. Yes, don't worry. If you are here and you came in late, don't worry. By Tuesday or Monday, this will be available on YouTube. A mail will be sent to you. I think I've mentioned the mail will be sent to you so that you can actually go and watch it on YouTube. So everything that was done today